Good morning Year 4 and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. First of all, we'll go through the answers to yesterday's questions. If you want to just pause the video in a second and check all your answers. Hopefully you were able to do those no problem. Remembering that adding pounds and pence is just like adding whole numbers. So carrying out a column addition, adding £14.70 to £20.15. You may have chosen to add the pennies together. First, 70 pence plus 15 pence is 85 pence. £14 plus £20 is £34. Or you may have carried it out by converting it into pence and changing it to a whole number, like this example, £2.30 plus £6.20, converting that into pennies, which is 230 plus 720, and carrying out your column addition. In this one, you had to make sure that you were copying down the price of each of the items correctly, making sure that those columns were neatly lined up so that you didn't get the numbers muddled up. So pause the video, check your answers. Hopefully, if you've made any mistakes, you'll be able to see where you went wrong. Today's lesson, we are learning to subtract two amounts of money. If we look at this question, Ali has £18.95 in his wallet. He buys a pair of shoes for £16. How much money does Ali have left in his wallet? So we are subtracting £16 from £18.95. Now you can see that in £16 we don't have any pence. So we're looking at the pounds first of all, and we're subtracting £16 from £18, which leaves us with £2. Then we're going to add on the pence because we've not got any pence to take away in this part. So £2 plus 95 pence is £2.95. Here we have a pictorial representation of the money. So we've got £18.95 here and £16 here. And if we take away the £16, we are left with £2.95. Here's another example. Ty's mum has £28.95 in her purse. After buying a top, she has 50 pence left in her purse. How much does she pay for the top? So in this question, we're starting off with £28.95 and we don't have any pounds to take away. We're taking away pence. So first of all, we subtract the pence. We take 50 pence away from 95 pence and we're left with 45 pence. And we add that £28 back onto the 45 pence. And the answer is £28.45. So have a go at these questions. Pause the video in a second. Just looking at the amounts that you're taking away, £17.85, take away £4. You'll note that there are no pence in this question and there are no pence in this question. So it's the pounds that you're going to begin with. And in this question, £21.75, take away 30 pence, there are no pounds. Again, there are no pounds here, so it's the pennies that you're going to be looking at first. So pause the video, have a go at those, and we'll go through them in a second. So £17.85, take away £4. First, we're going to subtract the pounds. £17, take away £4 is £13, and then we're going to add the 85 pence back onto that £13, which leaves us with £13.85. So £17.85, take away £4. And in the same way, we've got no pence to take away here. So we're taking away the pounds, £15 take away £8 is £7. Then we're adding this 45 pence back on, so the answer is £7.45. In these two questions, there were no pounds, so we first of all subtract the pence. 75 pence take away 30 pence is 45 pence. Then we add that 45 pence back to the £21, and the answer is £21.45. And in the final one, again, subtracting the pence first, 95 pence, take away 70 pence equals 25 pence. Adding that back onto the £23, so the answer is £23.25. Now we'll have a look at this question. Jack's dad buys a pair of trousers for £79.65. He also buys a shirt for £43.25. How much more does the pair of trousers cost than the shirt? So that number sentence that we're going to generate from that question is £79.65, take away £43.25. Now you will notice that in this question, we've got pounds and pence to take away. So we're going to partition the two amounts into pounds and pence, £79.65, £43.25. I'm going to begin by subtracting the pounds. So £79, take away £43 is £36. 65 pence, take away 25 pence is 40 pence. And then we're going to add those two amounts together. So £36 plus 40 pence equals £36.40. So the pair of trousers costs £36.40 more than the shirt. I'd like you to have a go at these two questions. I'm not sure why the answers are already there, but if you can follow the same process, subtracting the pounds and then the pence, pause the video, have a go at those, and I will go through the answers with you in a second. So £65.75, take away £12.45. We begin by subtracting the pounds. £65, take away £12 is £53. And then the pence, 75 pence, take away 45 pence is 30 pence. Adding these two amounts together gives us £53.30. Hopefully you went through this one in the same way, and the answer is £55.60. Here are the questions for today. This is practice 4, page 13 and 14 only. Please don't skip ahead to any of the other practices this week. You've got some subtraction questions to work out, and then once you find the answer, you colour in the monster. And then on this side, again, you've got some subtraction questions where we've partitioned the amounts, so you can take away the pounds first and then the pence and add those two amounts together to get the answer. First subtract the pounds, then subtract the pence, finally add the pence to the pounds. Have a go at those, and we will go through the answers tomorrow. If you want to check them once you've finished, pause the video whilst you go through them, and then I will put the answers up at the end.